Hello YouTube friends. Well, today we have an unboxing in this tiny box here. I've opened it up just so that my address doesn't show on the front. But this is a Coach unboxing, and I haven't really done one for quite a while. I bought the Lori set from the Facebook group I'm in, and this actually came from that same group. A seller was selling this bag, and I thought the deal was amazing, and it was for a bag that I've had my eye on for a long time. So even though I didn't feel like I need any new bags, this was such a good deal I didn't want to pass it up. And I'll do a comparison with this bag and other bags so you can see what it is. So this is the Tate 18, and I do have the Tate carry-all, and it's really one of my favorite bags. I actually like it better than my Rogues, and to me it's a similar type of elegance. It's a really nicely made bag. So she's got tissue paper here. Take that off. And she enclosed a card, which is really nice. Let's see. A little thank you card. So it's a Tate 18 in ivory. Very sweet seller. I was buying it because I like to buy myself one bag at Christmas, my little Christmas treat to myself. And so that's what I told her I was doing with this one. Oh, she wrapped it so nicely. See, this is the thing I'm liking about private sellers, especially on my Facebook group I'm on, Coach Gone Rogue. They really take care in shipping things to you. This is a beautiful little bag. And even in winter, you know, you can wear winter whites. But this is the one with the snakeskin detailing. And I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about that because I hate snakes, but it is so beautiful. Wow, this is a pretty little bag. Make sure it has the strap and the handle inside. Okay, so it's got the snakeskin crossbody strap, and it's got the little tiny handle. Oh, this is so cute. This is smaller than I thought it would be, even though I know the dimensions and I've watched videos. It's one of those things that once you get it in your hands, you see how truly tiny it is. Oh, it is so little and cute. Let me give you the dimensions on this, and then we'll compare it to the one I have, the Tate 29. So this one is, oh, I got it on centimeters. So across at its widest, it's just 7.5 inches. I wonder if my phone's even going to fit. I hope so. And then the height is 6 inches. I didn't know it was quite that short. And the depth of it at its widest spot is 3 inches. So it's just a mini little thing. And let me show you the Tate that I have. So in between these sizes, they had the medium regular one, which was just called the Tate carry-all. So it was bigger than this one, but smaller than this one. This is the Tate carry-all 29. And like I said, this is one of my favorite bags. It's the oxblood and the Amazon green. But look at the little baby bag next to it. It's so cute. It's got just about the same styling. The only difference is this one had built-in handles, along with your crossbody strap, and the other two did not. They have a removable top handle and crossbody strap. It is so adorable. I just love that little knot detailing. So just like that one, it has an open pocket in the front, which is leather lined, which is so nice. And then fabric lined pockets on the sides. It's exactly like its big sister. You've got double zippers with the brass zippers, which I love. You've got 4 feet, and then on the bottom it says genuine glove tan leather. This is really nice. It's in such nice condition. It doesn't look like it was ever used. She said it was in new without tags condition. And then you've got the center pocket here, just like the original. Oh, it's so cute with a little snap. What's in here? Oh, the hang tag. She stored it away in there. That's good. And then it's got 1, 2, 3 card slots on the back here. Oh, that is so cute. So I'll have to put on the little hang tag again. That was smart to put it in there. People in that group are extra smart. And then this is adjustable. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes to adjust it. I was thinking of using like a chain strap, like this one that came with the Cassie 19, I think would look really, really cute on this bag. Let's see how that would look. Or even the longer one from the Dreamer shoulder bag. Any brass chain. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I like it like that too. Very cute. Okay, so now that I've mentioned the Cassie 19, I also wanted to compare it with the Cassie 19 size-wise, because this to me is a very small bag, but very usable. So this is my Cassie 19. This is in the blush and I think ivory. Yeah, same color. But they're, yeah, it's about, one is the 18, one is the 19. So very similar, very comparable. You can see it better when I compare the base. But this one has a lot more room because the pockets in this one expand. So you've got a lot more room in this one. Like I'd shown before in a prior video, which I'll try and link up here, that I could get almost as much in this as the regular size Cassie. Now this one is smaller because the pockets are just slip pockets. They don't really expand. And you've got this larger center portion here, which could carry your necessities, a tiny wallet, your keys. Let me see if my phone case would fit. And that'll tell me if I can get my phone in here. Hopefully I can. I've seen other people do it. Let's see. Yes. Oh, good. It fits. Because to me, that's a deal breaker if my phone doesn't fit. So it fits in there fine. You just have to kind of, instead of going straight down, you just kind of slide it up. Not a problem. That's good. Very cute. I love this bag. So let me know in the comments below if you have one of these cute little Tate 18s. It is adorable, and I think it'll be really pretty all season long. You can wear it in the spring, summer, and in the winter. I had the idea that I wanted this because I've seen other videos where people use their ivory bags with winter white outfits, and it's really pretty. And I could even put my little bead-like extender chains, these. I could even put those on either end of this handle, I think. Let me see. And come up with a really cute little shoulder carry for this bag using its own handle. Let's see. Oh yeah, that would be cute. If I did that on both sides, it would definitely have a nice drop for shoulder wear, even with a jacket. Cute, cute, cute. Love it. Absolutely love it. Very pretty. I'm so glad I got it. It's just so petite, and it's so shrunken down from the my Tate 29. It's really fun to see the difference. And the one is like a little baby of the other. So cute. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.